In 1905, Nikola Tesla filed U.S. Patent 787509, a striking illustration of a disc-shaped aircraft that would draw its energy directly from a network of ground-based transmitting towers. The design is a masterclass in early 20th century speculative engineering. Formally, the disc measures roughly 12 feet in diameter, its perimeter rim reinforced by a lattice of lightweight aluminum ribs. At the center sits a compact, cylindrical motor with a surrounding coil-type antenna. The arrangement mirrors the silhouette of a modern electric drone but with a solid, monolithic hull reminiscent of a brass compass. The vehicle's underside houses retractable skids that double as landing gear and as receivers for the standing electromagnetic wave that the towers emit. Its smooth, aerodynamic profile is softened by riveted square grid panels, a visual language taken straight from the era's shipbuilding blueprints. Functionally, Tesla envisioned the discs riding a statically generated, electric atmospheric sea. Massive Wardenclyffe-style towers would establish a high-frequency field, and the onboard coil would induce a current, feeding the onboard motor. Without the need for onboard fuel, thrust could be sustained indefinitely, limited only by the field's reach. Control surfaces, tiny ailerons and a rudimentary tail fin, were to be manipulated via a ground-based radio link, making the aircraft a precursor to today's remotely piloted systems. The power transfer concept presaged modern wireless charging and resonant inductive propulsion, but at a scale far beyond what contemporary materials could support. Aesthetically, the patent drawing blends industrial realism with visionary futurism. Rendered in sepia-toned engineering blueprint style, the lines are precise, the shading minimal, yet the viewer senses motion, a whisper of upward ascent amidst the static page. This juxtaposition captures the optimism of the turn-of-the-century imagination, a world where energy flows without wires, and humanity takes to the skies on invisible currents. Though never built, the Tesla flying disc remains a compelling reminder that today's aerospace breakthroughs often rest on the unfinished sketches of forgotten pioneers.